Hi everyone, I want to show you how to use OWL. So now that you're on our Jefferson College site, go to Blackboard. After you go to Blackboard, type in your information. You've typed in for your information, go to your course. After you go to your course, scroll down and you will find OWL Online Writing Lab below Needs Help. So if you want to go to the chat, which I recommend, make sure that the green button is on. The green button is on, click there. While you're there, type in your name. You've typed in your name, start a chat. While you're starting your chat, the sign will come up, thank you for contacting us, an operator will be with you shortly. While you're waiting, you can type in your potential thesis. So I'm going to tell them and then I'm going to fix my writing. Then I'm going to type your potential thesis. And here the Writing Lab will be able to give you suggestions. Many of you have questioned, well, how do, can I use this as my documentation that I've worked without? Yes. You can use this as your documentation So these chats that you're doing, you can use as your documentation that you have worked with the Writing Lab. Take a picture or save as a PDF and upload it with your assignment. This will be enough and possibly can be quicker in terms of getting the small steps done that lead you towards your paper. So then you are here. Take your phone. And take a picture. And you have your documentation for your schoolwork.